today we're gonna do a blow by blow of my makeup artist kit, which is a work in progress. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, I am working this year toward becoming a freelance makeup artist. If you're interested in being one of my first 15 clients, you can get a whole face done for $5. All you have to do is allow me to use your image to promote my makeup business. So basically befores and afters and anything else like that. So anyway, so if you want to see what's in my makeup bag for my makeup artist kit, then just keep on watching. But if you're watching this video and you like it, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. All right, let's go. Hey guys, it's me. I got a hippadoodle under the table with me today. So one of my goals for this year, if you watch my last video, I did go over my New Year's resolutions for 2019. And one of them is to start freelancing as a makeup artist. So in order to do that, of course, you have to have a kit. Oh yeah, beer of the day, Brut IPA from Sierra Nevada. It's a little more fruity than I like, but it's fine. And yeah, so you have to have a makeup kit, right? That you can take with you or use when people come over. So my friends and I went to the mall the other day and we stopped at the Vera Bradley outlet and look what they had. It was so cute. Ooh. So it's this plastic case with a zipper all the way around, and it has like 3 different compartments on the inside. And I thought, you know what, that would be perfect for a makeup kit. So I got it, and it was like 50 plus 20% off, so amazing. So it comes with 3 compartments. And this one is for the brushes, which I haven't put in here yet, but I guess we can do it together. And it's just got the cute like little leather, can you see it says Vera Bradley on there. And then one thing I really like about these is that they have plastic on the inside. So like if you are using it for cosmetics and they spill, it won't ruin the whole thing. Nice. So I went and stocked up on some Wet n Wild brushes, basically. They were on sale for 59 cents a pop. You can't even beat that. So beautiful. I've got some concealer brushes, 2 of those for doing cut creases. I like those. I use them for myself all the time. I got an all over powder brush. It's kind of small, but I can make it work. And then I got 2 contour brushes, one for blush and one for contour. And then also an angled brush for doing brows or anything else, or liner as I need it. And then we have 2 flat eyeshadow brushes and 4 so far blending brushes. So that's my main collection of brushes that I'm going to use. I probably need like a lip brush and an eyeliner, a more dedicated eyeliner brush, which I have a few that I don't use that often, so I can probably just use one from my collection. So that's the smallest compartment. And then we have our second compartment, which is this little dude. Super cute. I love the pattern on this and the colors. So this has all sorts of goodies in it, and I'm gonna need to add some more stuff to it, but I got a golden toned highlighter because the lady I'm gonna see on Friday for my first client is medium toned. So I just wanted to make sure I had something that would work for her, and hopefully it's not too dark, but I have a few others that I can bring with me as well. Of course, mascara applicators and Q-tips. And she wants false lashes, so I got Duo Glue, the black one. That's my favorite. I got a pot of eyeliner because I think that's easier to keep sterilized, because you can just like scoop a little bit out on a palette, which I need to find my palettes, and then not re-dip into this. So I like that for that reason. And I got some Lash Princess mascara because it's a pretty low price mascara. It's like $5 and it's good. So excuse me. I'm also gonna pop in these lashes. These are the Studio Effect Ardell lashes that I had just laying around. I haven't used them yet. And she specifically asked for lashes, so there you go, we're ready. So that's what I have in there so far. I do want to make sure to bring my wedge sponges. So I just take like 2 of them out for now. Hello, buddy. And pop those in there. That way that's easy. What else do I need? For this one. And then last but not least are my foundations, and this will also hold my concealers when I get them. And it also has some other things in it, so I'll show you what it has in it. So this is a cute container because it kind of stands upright and it's got more of a structure to it. It's a thinner material, it's not quilted like the other two pieces. So these are the foundations that I got. These are the BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. I tried to get a pretty good range of shades. And then, so that's 4. So I got 6 shades, but I will end up with 7 because the lightest shade they didn't have. So at this point, this is the darkest shade I have, which I think is pretty legit. But of course, if I had somebody who wanted their makeup done that had darker skin than this, I would go out and get another one. I just would have to look into a different line of foundation because that's as dark as I think it gets. I also have the Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild, which I love a lot. And then I got this Candlelight light correcting serum primer in Sunlight. I used the Candlelight one because I'm pale as hell. So I just got the darker version because that's a really great primer. So yeah, so I have that. And my watch is telling me I'm not active enough today. So yeah, so that's that. And then let's see if I have this blush contour kit that I want. Where is it? I'll show you what I'm looking for. So I have this palette, which is in a light shade, and it has these great colors in it. But I have it in a darker one that just does bronzers that go pretty deep and are for different skin tones and undertones. So that's what I'm planning on putting in here for face powder slash bronzers, etc. So I gotta find that. I don't know where it is. That's a problem. And then for eyeshadow, beautiful neutral tones, and you can have good look for all skin tones in there and a good pop of color. The lady I'm going to see on Friday requested burgundies and golds, so I think I can get a pretty good one for that, and then I might just bring a secondary palette for a little bit more of a burgundy look, but this is what I'm planning on bringing. Now, in terms of sterilizing the products, all of the products in bottles, etc., I do not dip into them. I pump them out either onto the back of my hand or onto a palette, so there's no double dipping in those. And then for any powder products that are pressed, to sterilize those, what I'm gonna do is wipe them off with a Kleenex, and then this is 70% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Spray it on there and let it dry, and that will kill off any of the surface bacteria. So that's how you sterilize pressed powders. When I go to do that, I can show you guys, I guess, if y'all are interested. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm planning to bring, and that fits really nicely like that. And I believe I can fit the other face palette in there just the same, and that should be perfect. So another few things that I know I need. So I know I need concealer and setting powder. Although I have like a Makeup Revolution, I have this in lace, which is maybe a little light, but it's also not like super colored. It's kind of translucent, so that's a possibility. I might just dump that out and use it like that. And I need a lip palette. So I don't know if I want to make my own or I might just buy myself a lip palette. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Or I might just get a little bit of liquid lipsticks. And again, you can take those on the back of your hand and apply with a lip brush, and that's pretty sanitary there. So those are some ideas I have. Anyways, if you guys didn't know, I am running a special for my first 15 clients. $5 for a full face of makeup. All you have to do is allow me to use your image in any way, shape, or form for promoting my business. That could be face shots before and after, and close-ups, and like, you know, just general pictures that you would take if you were taking someone's makeup picture. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed looking through my makeup kit with me. It's super adorable. And yeah, stay tuned. If you are interested in getting in on that first 15 client deal, or if I've already had them, and I guess after that, please do message me either on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. I'd be happy to set up any appointments, details, etc., answer questions, and yeah, so I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you.